Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today's reaction, of course, I'm going to be reacting to two songs today because a lot of you commented that you should react to the song in this order. So in my last Krishna reaction, I said that I want to react to Freeverse next, which is his song Freeverse Langar. And a lot of you told me that first you react to the Anyway song and then you react to Krishna's diss. So yes, I'm gonna first react to Anyways Freeverse Feast, which is Dawat, and this is the explicit version. And then I'm of course gonna react to Krishna's song, which was a counter to his rap, which is Freeverse Feast Langar. And yeah, and please, I just want to say that I know because it's one versus the other, but let's keep the comments section civil. Let's keep it civil. So yes, no hate to anybody, and yeah, let's first see Emiway's song and then Krishna's song, and I'll tell you which one I like better. All right. Let's see what the hype is about, huh, guys? Okay. So this is gonna be my first reaction to Anyway. All right. The production value is great.
I eat rappers cause I'm a motherfucking beat rapper. Teach rappers how to rap, after that you can sleep. Rappers eat rappers cause I'm a motherfucking beat rapper. Teach rappers how to rap, after that you can sleep. Rappers, they gonna be calling me copy of Eminem, that's okay. They gonna be saying my accent this weak, bitch, that's okay. They gonna keep hating but waiting for my track, that's okay. But I'm a motherfucking rapper, bitch, I am not okay. So stop telling me do this, do that. I don't know you, who you go that. So you everybody motherfucking do this now. I'm representing India, no one is doing it right now. Doing this for country, still they wanna fight, let's fight now. Representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. I'm representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. I'm representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. And don't feel, give me the beat, I'm gonna kill, I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna do what I just feel. You people busy complaining, I'm paying expensive bill. If you think that I am stupid, bitch, better go and check your skill. All these druggies saying they are rappers, go and pop your place. Wait, let me take my flow fast right now. I'm doing so fast so that I can take long breath, pick it up, I'm gonna throw that. I've started walking ahead, for me there is a no back. It's time to change the flow, you can do it, it is so bad. These rappers busy choosing their topics, I'm writing comics. I think you people having the fever, go get a tonic. My fans got all my symptoms, Anyway disease is chronic. Yeah, I'm a Eminem fan, I'm going supersonic. Someone gonna face the money, someone gonna get the money, someone gonna write song. Which money am I gonna, if you're gonna keep it on a ready for a time. तेरी मगर सके ना जो भी तेरे पीछे भगा उसमें नहीं बोला फट रुकने को, फट रुकने को। खुदा के अलावा कौन बोला तेरे को किसी के सामने झुकने को। लेकिन मैंने तेरा भाई बहुत कुछ कहता है, सहता है इतना कुछ इसलिए तो कहता है। पानी से सरेगा मैं पानी सा, बीवी बनेगी तो रखूंगा रानी सा। हद करीबा जिंदगी को वो कन करीबा, दिल से बोलूंगा धत तेरी माँ, लेकिन गाली नहीं देता मेरे गाने में। सुन मेरी बात, तुझे भूल चुका हूँ मैं, सुन मेरी बात, तुझे मिल चुका हूँ मैं। सुन मेरी बात, नहीं करना है याद नहीं बोलना है कुछ तेरे बारे में। सबको यहाँ पर खाए बोते, पढ़ने को पढ़ाई बोते, देने वाले ढाई बोते, लेके मेरे भाई बोते, खाने में सफाई बोते, वीडियो को चलने में चढ़ाई बोते। क्या सबको यहाँ पर खाए बोते, पढ़ने को पढ़ाई बोते, देने वाले ढाई बोते, लेके मेरे भाई बोते, खाने में सफाई बोते, जिंदगी की सीढ़ियों को चढ़ने में चढ़ाई बोते। क्या representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. I'm representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. I'm representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. Now representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. I'm representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. I'm representing India, bitch, I'm straight on a hill. Mumbai 40037 37 क्या? Anyway बनता है मालूम है ना?
Anyway बनता है.
Peace.
To be continued. उसके बाद उसने कंटिन्यू किया. Okay, not bad. So that was Freeverse Feast. I really like the fast rap flow, though I'm guessing that when he said that line that I'm the only one who's representing India in rap, I think that is where Krishna was like, okay, अब तो मुझे जवाब देना पड़ेगा इसका. So yes, this wasn't bad. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoyed this. Yeah, this is the, so I'm guessing there is a non-explicit version also जिसमें वो गाली नहीं दे रहा है, but इसमें तो he has gone full out. There is a sense of swag that he has, and this is as you know, as a first timer, when I'm listening to this, the beat, like his initial flow when he started the song, that was normal. That is something that I have generally, जितना भी मैंने limited rap सुना है, I have heard that, like that is very familiar to me when it comes to a rap song. But when he started with the fast flow, I really liked that. I actually enjoyed that. So yes, that was Free Verse Feast Daawat, and अब तो मुझे देखना है कि कृष्णा ने क्या ये किया है, because I think in terms of wordplay, Emiway's song, like in terms of wordplay, I feel his was pretty decent. It wasn't bad. Like I enjoyed it. I actually enjoyed it. But because I have already seen what kind of wordplay Brodha B does or Krishna does, I think in terms of lyrics, they are pretty superior. So I'm really excited to see his rap, his song, the lyrics and everything. So yes, let's now react to Free Verse Feast Langar by Krishna, and then I'm going to share my final thoughts on this battle. Is it over या अभी भी मतलब चल रहा है दोनों के बीच में? You know, the fight is still on, or is it like all done and dusted? Do let me know. All right, let's react to Krishna's song. Oh, this has been like music has been given by Raftaar.
I'm gonna show you how it's done. Yeah. आजा सिखा दूं मैं ये रैप हम करते हैं कैसे, आजा दिखा दूं मैं लोग ट्रैक पे मरते हैं कैसे, हाँ आजा सिखा दूं मैं ये रैप हम करते हैं कैसे, आजा दिखा दूं मैं लोग ट्रैक पे मरते हैं कैसे, हाँ इंटरनेट बीफ पर डरते हैं वैसे, दिखाते गरीबी पर घर पे हैं पैसे, चश्मे भी नकली ये पढ़ते हैं कैसे, ये लड़की के बाल ये लड़के हैं कैसे, करूँ खत्म अगर शुरू किया मामला, पूरा रंग पर मन मेरा सांवला, जीत मेरी काली मनमानी करी मैंने बीट पे, अब सीख ले तू मेरा ना मुकाबला.
See, now I'm sorry I paused, but just want to say, like, the immediate thought in Emiway's like when he started the song, like I said, this is the kind of flow that I'm used to. Now Krishna, when he starts, उसके गाने में स्टार्टिंग से मुझे बहुत वेरिएशन दिखते हैं, like when he started in this slow pace and then suddenly his flow changed, so that makes the song more, I don't know, upbeat, if I should say so. But yes, now let me just concentrate on the lyrics first.
कैसे ये लड़की के बाल ये लड़के हैं कैसे, करूँ खत्म अगर शुरू किया मामला, पूरा रंग पर मन मेरा सांवला, जीत मेरी काली मनमानी करी मैंने बीट पे, अब सीख ले तू मेरा ना मुकाबला, जाग रहा मेरे अंदर वाला हैवान, तेरे लिए पैगाम है ये रेयर काम, straight out of hell, पर शैतान बोले मुझे पता नहीं ये है कौन, क्या मिला इसे सर पे चढ़ा के, महंगे खर्चे तो भर के दिखा दे, करना किल तुझे झट से सिखा दे, इंग्लिश में रैप तुझे करके दिखा दे, feel like I'm the only one that never outlasted, murderers in the booth I ooze a new passion, I'm running with the crew, let loose, produce action, they in it for the views, the dudes is just acting, back to back, I be killing these MCs, I'm in it for Benjis, like criminal MPs, my sinister pen leaks, they jelly with envy, I really can end beef, then bury him 10 feet, rapping in English but making no sense, I guess you the kid that was making no friends, all you gon' do is just play and pretend, I bow down to me bitch, you gon' pray and repent, always talking shit when I flex, whoa, I be getting DMs on your ex, whoa, hitting third base like the Mets, whoa, game time you don't wanna test, whoa, somebody tell me man, who is this clown, who claim he the only one doing it now, biting the hand that put food in your mouth, you look like a bitch, your ass hole in your blouse, me and brother.
I want to listen to that part again, because I read in the comments where you guys told me that, you know, this was the main trigger point for Krishna. That when Emiway said,
shit when I flex, whoa, I be getting DMs on your ex, whoa, hitting third base like the Mets, whoa, game time you don't wanna test, whoa, somebody tell me man, who is this clown, who claim he the only one doing it now, biting the hand that put food in your mouth, you look like a bitch, your ass hole in your blouse, me and brother B was the only MCs that was spitting in English and still got signed, you don't wanna test these cocaine bars, but I still go hard when I spill those lines, tell me motherfucker did you steal those rhymes, you're too feminine to be like Eminem, now see my pad and pen gon' reveal your lies, and if you wanna fight, you gon' need your guys. So when I'm in the zone, we get an action back. Now you all about the money, where the stacks is at. Your accent pretty shitty, I'm pretty on every track. My city not showing pity, New Delhi, we really back. Trying to go supersonic, up us in the Ruger on it. I move with a group of hundreds, we talking the Buddha chronic. Just like you doing on the supply, the shooting comments a line, pursuing knowledge behind my two opponents. पूछो कितना कमारे बनते जो सारे शाने करना पाते बिना मारे खोले दरवाजे जब परे किनारे लगे थे ताले चपेटे मारे बथेरे तेरे लगे जा रहे नेपोलियन बोने पड़े जैसे बोने साले इतने बोले वाले नहीं है वो असली बोले जा रहे पर नहीं है वो स्ट्रीट वो दिखा रहे पर नहीं है वो अब पूछे मेरे बारे बोले सही है वो लोग चारे लाना कृष्णा पुराना मुझे शौक नहीं टॉप 10 लिस्टों में आना तेरे गानों से इंटरेस्ट किश्तों में ज्यादा मेरा रिश्तों में पापा तेरा डिस्टो बना दो मेरा जाओ इसको दिला दो थोड़ा भाव दिस तो खिला दो इसे कुछ तो पिला दो जाके स्टिच तो करा दो इसके घाव इसका विश तो दिला दो इसे रस से मिला दो फिर डिस्को के गाने पे मचाओ आजकल सब करे जाके रिप्रेजेंट पर लिखा है मजाक तेरी वेज द पेन इंग्लिश हो या हिंदी मैंने दोनों करे ब्लेंड इन चूतियों से पहले मैं ना फॉलो करूं ट्रेंड कॉपी है मैंने पर तेरी औकात नहीं लड़का तू असली में बहुत हार्ड नहीं एक बात करता मैं 100 बात नहीं कैच करो मेरी वेव जैसे चौपाटी अब तो लेके तेरी चादर ओढ़ेंगे तेरे घोड़े फेल पर कभी ना कभी तोड़ेंगे कौन है ये सोचे तेरे फैंस पर मुझे ना फर्क पड़े क्योंकि कभी तेरे जैसे मेरे लेवल पे ना बोलेंगे ये तो शुरुआत तेरी खोलेंगे नाटक वाले गाने बनाने लगे जो बोरिंग है अब तो मेरी बारी कलमकारी मैं तो खत्म करूं पारी जैसे बुमराह की बॉलिंग है जो भी ये छोड़ेंगे तेरा साथ ऐतिहासिक ना होंगे तेरे ये बार्स मेरी रफ्तार अब लगेगी तुझे फास्ट तो फूलेगी तेरी सांस और खुलेंगे तेरे राज और ये शुरुआत That's how you represent India, bitch.
Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo! I have to say, in terms of just song, let's forget the मतलब भूल जाओ कि दुश्मनी थी या एक दूसरे को वो लोग काउंटर कर रहे हैं. I'm just saying in terms of song because anyway this is the first time I'm listening to anyway and I'm used to Krishna's. I think this is the fastest I've heard Krishna rap. But in terms of just song, the flow of the rap and the impact, I think this one, I know Emiway's song has much larger views, like it has a lot of views and all. Krishna's itne views nahi hai uske is gaane pe. I'm particularly comparing song to song. But I think this is definitely, song-wise, rap-wise, much superior. I mean, no offense to Emiway, but this is definitely, it's just my opinion. This is definitely much superior. Much superior. The wordplay is much superior. I mean, wow. The wordplay is really, really superior in this. I mean, my jaw dropped open when I was reading the lyrics over there. But yes, in Emiway's song, in terms of how the rap was arranged, I really liked when he rapped in that fast, when he was rapping in a very fast tempo. I really liked that in Emiway's song, Free Verse. And knowing, it's very, brave, bold of Krishna to just make this song and keep the same name. That was like Free Verse Feast Langar. Like he kept the name Free Verse. And I actually, when I was reading up, I read up in Quora that I think one person had asked that Krishna ne ye gana kyun likha? A lot of viewers, a lot of answers were there. There were mixed responses, but I read a couple of responses where I said ki Krishna ne, clout, he was chasing for clout and clout ke liye usne ye gana likha because he has been struggling for so many years. But you know what? अगर लिखा भी है क्लाउड के लिए, let's just say अगर लिखा भी है क्लाउड के लिए, चलो मान लेते हैं लिखा भी है, if he has already written it for cloud. Just in terms of song, I am very new to rap, and just in terms of listening, as a first time listener to both the songs, I feel this song is much superior in terms of wordplay, just by judging it as a song. अब क्लाउड के लिए लिखा है नहीं लिखा है, there's always going to be that debate. That's fine. I don't want to get into all of that. But yeah, those were my opinions after listening to both the songs. Both the songs are nice. Keeping aside the fight and the diss, I really like. I already told you which part of Emiway's song I like, and in Krishna's wordplay is just unbelievably good. I mean, it's fantastic. It's just fantastic. It's fantastic. It's fantastic. Yes, so that was my reaction for today for two songs, both free verse, one by Emiway and one by Krishna. Do share in your opinion, your thoughts, but yes, please keep the comment section civil. If there is any gali galoj, I'm straight away going to delete that comment. Yes. I don't want any toxicity in the comment section. So yes, that was my reaction for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you've come till the end of the video. And yeah, I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.